can see that we've entered a trade right away in the greed Centibot indicator based upon a gap. And the reason that the greed indicator likes playing the gap is because it's based upon the fact that greed can widen gaps. You can see that we closed out for a nice profit and have re-entered on the short side. This is filling the gap, which is something that's quite common. And now that the momentum had died from the original surge higher, it recognizes that the gap will get filled. You can see that the stop loss keeps trailing as we continue much lower. And as a result, we finally get closed out. And this is a 366 pip profit trade, pair of trades, which is quite rare to see on a 5-minute chart. After all, 5-minute charts are extremely volatile and typically will have traders trying to scout for a handful of pips at a time as opposed to big moves like this. And this indicator recognizes that gap as massive amounts of greed entering the market, and the return as the same thing. As the gap was filled and then kept going lower, it realized that we have a run in the market, and therefore it does get involved. By allowing the trader to set up this indicator and simply walk away from the machine, you can take the emotion out of the market and let the algorithms figure out what the market's doing and, quite frankly, what it could be thinking. You have a buy signal here in this particular video, and as we continue for the rest of the 6 months, we had 945% in profits recorded.